I'd like your input regarding Hotpoint oven problems.
Their ovens have problems heating up to reach the cooking temperature you've set. If it is a gas oven, it is because their igniters go out faster than average.
I was looking for a Hotpoint electric.
So it definitely is not because the bake igniter is failing to let out gas. In any oven that is not getting up to temp, the first thing to check is the heating elements.
How do I check that if that was the problem?
Turn on the oven and see if the elements turn red.
That's assuming the heating element is the problem and not something else.
If the element is okay when you test it for resistance, then the only other causes are the wiring or selector switch that turns it on. Hotpoint ovens are average on ease of testing and repairability.
I've heard of a lot of brands having problems if you run the self-cleaning function.
A number of units start to see the elements burn out faster and even the paint peel off if you run a self-clean or even broil. Hotpoint does not do that very often unless something malfunctions.
That depends on how often it malfunctions.
The only pro I can think of regarding that problem is that Hotpoint oven glass does not explode more often than average.
That should be rare in any line of ovens.
The oven doors get hot anytime you use it, which is why they are not very energy efficient either.
As compared to the units that score high on energy efficiency because they do not work half the time?
Hotpoint is a label GE slaps on their appliances that do not meet their quality standards, like relabeling ACs that don't work that great root models.
Give me specifics.
They have fewer features in them.
That's what I call economizing, and why Hotpoint ovens are cheaper. And given how some of the fancy models have control panels air out all the time, that's not necessarily a problem.
The loose model by Hotpoint still manages to get low scores on ease of use.
That should be hard to do on a simple oven.
They are at best a basic model. And while they are cheap, being a European-made appliance, the repair parts can be hard to get.
I'm trying to remember which premium brand always says they are waiting for replacement parts to come in from Europe.
The Hotpoint Model SHY23X models perform poorly.
That does not mean you avoid the whole line.